In today's video, I'll show you how to create a sharp and modern opening where glitchy geometric shapes move across the screen and reveal your video in a fragmented way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline so the effect hits immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start, which is where this glitch style reveal works best. Scroll through the animation list until you find glitchy tangram, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, you'll see angular shapes shifting and snapping into place, creating a glitch-inspired geometric reveal. Use the duration slider to control how fast the shapes move. Shorter duration makes the animation feel sharp and aggressive. Longer duration slows it down for a more controlled and stylish look. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the energy of your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a glitchy tangram reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.